Hey guys, what's going on? Stick around for those of you that follow the Journey to 32 and also watch Chalk Talk episodes weekly. You notice I have 18 authentic helmets behind me. There's a couple that are below. And what happens every year is my wife gets me 2 helmets a year. She gets me one at Christmas and she'll get me one at my birthday in April. Excellent gifts. How we make it interesting, I'll pick 2 to 4 teams roughly, whether they're the hot teams during the year or if it's part of the AFC East or I want to complete a division, whatever I come up with, that's what we do. I give them to her and she ultimately picks, and then it's a surprise either way, 1 out of 4 chance. I get to guess a little bit. So now I want you guys, just a second, I want you to pick your pick out of the 4, and maybe your pick will be the one I get on Christmas because the most votes is going to be the helmet I pick. So let's just start right now. I got KC right here. I do not have this helmet. Beautiful red. I think it would definitely pop off as a part of the collection. Patrick Mahomes, the team's hot, they're doing good. That's number 1. Number 2, Baltimore Ravens. Nice black, purple, the bird. It's just a cool helmet. Also doing really well. They beat our Bills, but still a cool helmet. That's number 2. Number 3, the LA Rams. This is the old helmet with the gold horns. I know it's the white helmet now. That will be the one I get. I want to get the most current typically. So that's this one right here. Just a cool helmet all the way around. Like this helmet very much. And then again, in no particular order here. So this is not ranking them here. San Francisco 49ers. Beautiful gold. Another team that's super hot right now. So here's 4 helmets right here that you can pick from. Drop them in the comments below. I want as many votes as I can to make it interesting and see who ultimately picks the winner. So comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to see what I get in December, and make sure you share it. Let's get as many votes as we can, and let's beat the Pittsburgh Steelers on Sunday Night Football. Go Bills.